So this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, aka the 2021 Game Boy Advance SP smartphone. So what do you think? We're in a time now where we can literally do everything on our smartphones, and even playing like Game Boy games. I used to play my Game Boy Advance SP all the time when I was a little kid, and man, I put in a lot of hours into Pokemon Emerald and Fire Red. Well, nowadays when I look at the games, obviously I restarted them for some odd reason, I don't know why, but anyway, now it's different. I can play these games on my smartphone, and the Z Flip 3 is the best device to do so in my opinion. More so, this is the fact that the Z Flip 3 really does resemble the Game Boy because they're both flip devices. I mean, I see the resemblance. I mean, if you do, let me know in the comments down below. At this point, I'm sure many already know how to use emulators on smartphones and ROMs and whatnot, but for those who don't, it's pretty simple. I'll tell you how. First, you'll need to download the MyBoy free Game Boy Advance emulator, or you can buy the full version, it's up to you. I went with the free version for now. Then you'll need to go on your internet browser and find some ROMs of the games you would like to play. I'm going to go ahead and look up Pokemon Fire Red. I also have Pokemon Emerald downloaded as well. I would recommend using the site emulatorgames.net, which has many of the Game Boy games. Now go ahead and download the designated game you want. Then you'll head over to MyBoy and you'll need to load the game through the correct folder. Now mine are located in the downloaded folder as a zip file. Once you click on the zip file for the game, it'll start up. Of course, with games like Pokemon, you can save the game through the game itself, and you can also save the game in progress from the MyBoy app. And probably other games you can save it directly from the games itself. I only typically play Pokemon on my Game Boy, so yeah, that's really what I'm talking about here. But anyway, this has brought back so many good memories. I've enjoyed my time with this, not only as a Game Boy Advance SP, but also as a smartphone. I mean, I said it in my last video about why I switched to the Z Flip 3, but I still can't get over the fact that this, folds or flips, whatever you want to call it. It's my first foldable device, so I just can't get over it. Like, there's no honeymoon phase with this device for me. I just really enjoy it. I wonder if Nintendo ever made a phone like this, then I would probably actually go buy one. I mean, this is pretty dope. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy some Pokemon Emerald. I'll see you all in the next video. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.